This is not a barbecue. We should know. We sell barbecues every day. And this, it's not a barbecue. It's a home upgrade, a patio centerpiece, and a grill built so well you'll hand it down to your kids. Show me a barbecue you plan on bequeathing in your will. Exactly. The YS640S is different. It's built to solve the problems created by commodity barbecues. Fake versatility, unreliability, planned obsolescence. How does it do it? It's how it's built. The Yoder Smokers YS640S is made in America and built by hand. It's welded where other grills are screwed. It features a 10-gauge steel cooking chamber. And when you press start, it starts. Lift the lid of a 640 once and you'll feel what we mean. Cook across the temperature spectrum, from classic, low and slow barbecue to true, hot and fast, over-the-flame grilling. Other grills say they do it all, but when you cook on them, they don't get hot enough for high-heat grilling, or they aren't consistent enough for reliable smoking. Wood-fired pizzas? Not happening on your hardware store grill. The YS640S is a grill you can trust, no matter what you're cooking. And you can trust it to cook amazing food for decades, not just a summer or two. Doesn't sound like a barbecue, does it? That's because it's not a barbecue. It's the Yoder Smokers YS640S. Available online at All Things Barbecue.